Help me, guys. I have a bad habit of just letting the house go even more than normal over the weekend. So you can hear my dishwasher running. I'm trying to get everything cleaned up and put our house back in order, and maybe then I can invite friends over and we can have play dates. Otherwise our house is just way too embarrassing with all the cereal on the floor and dirty dishes piled to the ceiling. So I tried to make bread this morning. I cannot make bread. I don't know what my deal is. I just can't do it. Somebody tell me why my bread looks like this. It is just like the dough is flaky. Ow, it's hot. My dough is flaky, and so, I mean, I knew when I put it in there that it wasn't right. I don't know why. Like, I follow the directions. I don't know why it doesn't work out. I follow the directions. I am careful with the yeast. I'm careful with the water. But for some reason, when I like mix it together and when I knead it together, it just kind of gets flaky and it doesn't really get mixed together and it doesn't have a dough texture. I don't know why it doesn't work. I've never been able to make bread. Help me, guys. I need to know how to make bread. But I found our sunscreen. It was in a closet I didn't look in. Go figure. Trying to get stuff done. Got a baby wear. I don't know how else to do this. Moriah got a bloody nose and a bloody lip outside. Did you fall down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm letting her eat a popsicle. And I gave her some ice. I just wrapped it one time in a cloth. Because then it's not too cold. She also had 2 slivers in her hand. But now it's all better, huh?
Yeah.
We got them out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Hurts you?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Yeah.
Did we fix it?
No.
We didn't fix it? I'm glad we were able to get them out. They were pretty big, so it was kind of easy. They were sticking out really good. Should I push that up for you?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you eating? Pine cone? Popsicle? He's shedding. You can see down there. Kind of gets that gray.
You ready? You ready? That's right. Slapped her in the face. Go ahead.
Can she eat raw eggs?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know. Let's see that little egg.
They're not even fertilized yet. Doesn't look like it.
Abe found some pigeon eggs at work. Ogar doesn't want to eat it though. I tried another recipe with wheat this time. Oh, look how dirty that is. But it's not rising. So I put it in the oven with a little bit of heat to see if I can get it to rise. The yeast is okay because when it got mixed with sugar, I saw it foam I saw it start to foam, so I think that the yeast is okay. Trying to figure out how to make bread. Okay, it's time for me to go get some groceries. This is what I'm picking up this week. It was a week when all those staples you're used to having in the house run out, so it makes it a little bit harder on the budget, but salsa, coconut oil, walnuts, ranch, flour, staples we're not used to spending every month, but this will be our week plus the eggs, milk, and beans that we have at home already. And whatever else I can scour out of the refrigerator. We had a whole bunch of random hot dogs, so I picked up some buns. Cleaned out the deep freeze a while ago and I found a ton of hot dogs. So hot dogs will last us a little bit, and yeah, all the fruit that I could find that was on sale, like the blueberries and the strawberries and things like that. I went for a roast this time. Usually I get chicken, but I went for a roast and our nice bag of chips to try out.